Morning, everyone. Happy Saturday. If you are watching me on the replay, please type replay. If you are watching me live, please say hello. I am excited for you to join me this morning on Coffee and Chalk. It's so great to have you with me. So today I am going to do a quick project, semi-quick project, pretty simple project. We're just going to use one color today, but I'm going to show you how you can do simple designs that really kind of just, adds something awesome to a room. Okay, so let's share this really quick to my VIP group. If you do not know what my VIP group is, it is where I have all of my VIP customers, and there's special sales, deals, bundles, giveaways, all kinds of stuff that I do in that group. So if you want to be in that group, first of all, you definitely want to be in that group. Comment VIP below and I will go ahead and add you into that group. And now I'm also going to share this to my timeline because I want all my friends and family to see what I'm doing. Okay, so that is done. Okay, so please forgive me for being super tired and out of it. Last night was rough. I don't know. My baby still wakes up every 2 hours. Somebody needs to help me and tell me what I'm doing wrong. But let's go ahead and get started. Like I said, I'm going to show you a simple and easy project that can add something wonderful to a room. And if you really like that, like farm fresh, or not farm fresh, what do you call it? Farmhouse, farmhouse decor, you'll really like this one. Okay, so let's get started. So we've got another board that I cut and stained it, so it's all ready to go. And it's a good idea to wax these boards as well. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna do Farm Fresh Groceries, family owned and operated. So there's a lot of cute stuff on here. I could use this too, but it won't fit with the groceries. I like that, that's cute. But yeah, this also shows you that you can, you don't have to use all the parts of the transfer. You can use pieces of it. You can mix and match pieces from other transfers. You really can be creative. Or if you're not creative, then that's okay too, because we're giving you the design. So all you have to do is copy it, so don't worry there. You don't have to get crazy with it, but you can if you want to, so that's the beauty of it. So I'm just gonna cut this up into our pieces and label the back of it like you always see me do. We do have transfer backings. So if you would prefer, instead of just keeping all the backings like I do, you can just have the sheet, the backing sheet, and you can just stick all of your pieces for your one transfer on that one sheet. It is a little bit simpler. I don't know, I just do it this way. But just letting you know there's other options on how to store them and stuff like that. So, okay, so that's all cut up. We're not going to be able to use this piece today because our board is not long enough, but we are going to do, and we're not going to use that piece either. I don't think we're going to use that either. But what we want to do is we want, maybe I will. I could put it here. We'll see. Okay, so I'm going to do Farm Fresh, Groceries, and then I'm going to do Family Owned and Operated. It's going to be super cute. I'm just going to do it in all black, super simple. But like I said, small, simple project, it's going to make a big statement. So let me get my marker so that I can label these. Okay. Just want to label this one Groceries. And you actually don't even have to label them if you're organized. Because you could just do your project, clean your transfers, have them dry, and then put them right back on the thing. And obviously you're going to know which one goes where. But I'm just going to put Owned and Operated. But for me, I always have a bunch of projects going on at one time. Like, oh my gosh, last night I did a really big project, and I did not do any of the cleaning last night, so I came down here this morning and oh my god, it's such a mess to clean up. So many transfers everywhere, all over the floor. Okay. So we got the Farm Fresh on there, so we're just going to go ahead with our black. Let me grab a squeegee. And you can get black and white and Storm. Storm is a gray. You can get them in these big containers. I like this for like those type of colors because I know I'm going to use a lot of it. Like, because black and white are you know, really popular colors. So if you want a big container of it, they come in larger containers, which is convenient. So okay, just scraping off my excess here. Forgot to put some water in my water bath. That's okay. Also, if you are local to the Metro DC area, I am doing an event tomorrow at Canna Vineyards and Winery in Middleburg. It is a look how cute that is. It's so pretty. I love it already. I'm doing a chalk and cheers event, which basically is you pick out, I've got 3 options for designs, and you pick out your design. We're doing palette boards, and you pick out colors that you want to use, and I'm going to show you how to make one of these fun signs, and you get to take your sign home, and you also get to drink wine while you're there too. So, very fun. Okay, so I'm going to dry this because my groceries transfer might stick over top. Also, oh yeah, so what I was going to say is you can still register for that event. There's still slots open. So if you wanted to come and hang out and make one of these projects, you are more than welcome. It's going to be a fun time. Also, if you also live locally to the Metro DC area, and if you're getting married anytime soon, there is a wedding expo going on this weekend Friday and Saturday. I mean Saturday and Sunday, today and tomorrow. And basically all of the venues, there's a bunch of venues, like I think there's like 25 venues that you can check out. And when you go check out the venue, they also have, you know, everything else there that you need to check out as well. Like your florist, your DJ, your, what do you call it? Your caterer, whatever you need for your wedding. So that's going on this weekend too. So that's a huge thing. And Mario's over there promoting his DJ business. So that's fun. He's actually at Kaleo, I think is the name of the venue that he's at. It's in Percival. So if you wanted to, if you're getting married and you want to check out a bunch of, like a one-stop shop, it's pretty cool. Now for this size transfer, I actually could have used my larger squeegee so I wouldn't have to keep going over it this many times. So I also have some promotions going on. There is a anybody who makes a purchase before the 15th is going to get something. There's a promotion for that. There's also a promotion for anyone who signs up as a designer before the 15th. There's a promotion for that too. So if you're interested in either of those, please reach out to me and I will let you know what those promotions are, and hopefully you'll want to take advantage of one of them. Look at how fun and easy this is. And how, like, awesome that looks. Like I said, you don't have to be an artist to do this, which is why I love it, because I can make, like, the coolest pieces of art, and I don't have to, whoops, and I don't have to be, like, a painter or something. Once again, I'm getting paint all over me, because I am a slob. Seriously. But hope everyone's having an awesome Saturday morning. I have been cleaning all morning, like I said, because I made a giant mess last night. Plus, I have a friend coming in town. I'm super excited. My college roommate, I almost said my college roommate from college. My college roommate from college is coming to visit me. I'm super excited about that. It's gonna be fun. She's expecting her second baby. However, her first baby just turned 14 2 days ago. So needless to say, it's been a while for her. So she'll get lots of practice with Miss Ella. So be good. But yeah, so does anyone have any like fun plans today? I don't. Well, I do. My friend's coming. But I don't have any plans like as far as like going out and doing anything. It actually snowed yesterday, so it's flipping cold out. So I went out there this morning to take a bunch of trash out, and I'm just like, ugh, like I don't want to hang out in this. So yeah, I'm so messy. Look at my hands. So yeah, so my plans for the day are just going to be cleaning up and organizing and stuff like that. All right. Squeegeeing off the excess, and then we're almost done here. And again, I wanted to show you guys how quick this project is. We've only been doing this for about 10 minutes. So quick 10-minute project, but it looks awesome. Oh my God, my hands are so messy. I just don't want to get black ink in spots on my board that I don't want it. How cute is that? Awesome. Yeah, so look how simple that was. All done. Look at our pretty sign. You know, it's super simple. Only took us about 10 minutes to make. We only needed one color, and you could hang this up in your kitchen or something. Super cute, and it's like that farmhouse chic decor that everyone's into now. It's super popular. Awesome. So thanks a lot for hanging out with me this morning. I hope to see you guys tomorrow. Let me know if there's anything specific that you want to see. Go ahead and comment below if there's something specific you want to see. Go ahead and check out the website. It is chalkcouture.com/Champagne Jane Designs. Check that out and see if there's any transfers on there, designs that you want to see me do, and I'll let you know if I have them and we can do them. All right, so thanks again for watching, and don't forget to go on my VIP page and message me directly if you want to know about any promos, and thanks a lot. I will catch you guys later.